Hi everyone, Deborah back again with another Margarete Miller challenge. So I've got 5 things and I'm just going to get into my art journaling. This is some paper from Marlene, Art by Marlene, and this is my repeating pattern. It's super bright for me, but I'll just cut it and tear it and see what we can make out of it. And I've got this for the path or road, and this is actually a picture from my watercolour magazine, and this is March Road by Charles Birchfield. I don't think I'm doing anything wrong in using this as part of my art journal. I'm not claiming that it's mine, I just needed something that had a road on it or a path, and this was what I found. I've also got some calendar. So this is the only calendar thing that I could find in my stash was this page. So I might just try and put some of this down before I put the picture on. Chosen 2 of my Diane Reevely paints, one in London Blue. They're dusty because I've not used them for a while. Maybe I should mix that up, don't know. And I keep the little spongy things on the top here so that I can use them with the sponge. I'm using the excess paint that's on the stencil to create some more of the marks on the page. And I've got this dictionary page for my something cold, and I'm using the definition of ice as ice there. I couldn't really find anything cold in my stash, so I thought I'd be a bit creative and just use this instead. Just make sure that I've satisfied the criteria. So I've got a path or a road, I've got my ice for something cold, a favourite word, a piece of calendar, so I've got those here, a paper with a repeating pattern, and a bonus is an illustration. I haven't done that, so I might do some of that too. I've just got my aquarelle pen and I'm just kind of, you know, going to do some stuff. I'm not sure what yet. I'm just dipping it into some pool of water in my hand. I'm being lazy as usual. Couldn't be bothered getting anything out to do that with. I'm not a very good drawer, but I love drawing, so I thought I may as well just, you know, put something on there. Scribbling, or more like it, I'm trying to learn how to embrace the scribbling. Not worry about things too much. This is number 5. Let's put that on there, and I'm quite happy with that. I'm loving these challenges because they really push me out of my comfort zone. I would never normally do something like this, but having to pick 5 things is really, really pushing me. And I've got plenty to choose from. It's just about, you know, pushing myself and making some art. Until next time, this is Deborah. Thanks very much for watching me. Cheers.